In the heart of the city, under the grey sky, the rain in London soaked me. As I walked by each drop, a memory falling so free. In the rhythm of sorrow, the rain weeps with me. Oh, the rain, the relentless rain, drowning dreams in lanes, whispering my name. In this downpour, my spirit waves. The rain in London, it echoes my pain. The streets hold echoes of laughter now gone. The rain in London sings a melancholic song. Through the mist I see shadows dance. In the rain's cold touch there's a chilling trance. But as I stand here drenched to the bone, I feel the seeds of hope that the rain has sown. For every storm that comes must also pass, and after the rain there's green, there's grass. Oh, the rain, the cleansing rain, washing away the stains, healing the pain. In this we knew the heart gates. The rain in London, it brings hope again. So let it pour, let it flood the streets. For the rain is bitter but also sweet. In every drop there's a lesson to feed. The rain in London makes me hope again. So let it pour, let it flood the street. For the rain is bitter but also sweet. In every drop there's a lesson to feed. The rain in London makes me. The streets hold echoes of laughter now gone. The rain in London sings a melancholic song. Through the mist I see shadows dance. In the rain's cold touch there's a chilling trance. But as I stand here drenched to the bone, I feel the seeds of hope that the rain has sown. For every storm that comes must also pass, and after the rain there's green, there's grass. Oh, the rain, the cleansing rain, washing away the stains, healing the pain. In this we knew my heart gates. The rain in London, it brings hope again. So let it pour. Oh, never flood the street, for the rain is bitter but also sweet. In every drop there's a lesson to feed. The rain in London